At Eaton, we're committed to bringing leading power management solutions to the Canadian marketplace. With 3 ISO certified Canadian manufacturing plants and a national Canadian distribution center, we meet our customers where they operate, supporting them with designs to meet the specific needs of Canadian electrical applications. Here we offer engineering, fabrication including in-house powder coating, final assembly, and test to our rigorous quality assurance standards. At our fully integrated Airdrie motor control manufacturing plant, we've been serving Canadian businesses for over 44 years. Currently, it produces a range of electrical products including low voltage motor control centers and fire pump controllers for both national and global markets. Our customers span a wide range of sectors: power generation, oil and gas, mining, petrochemical, water and wastewater treatment, as well as the emerging green energy spaces. They come to us for our unique Canadian capabilities and our ability to take them through every stage of the manufacturing journey. From design engineering to sheet metal fabrication, sub-assembly conversions to final assembly, we're known for our customer-centric manufacturing approach and our fierce commitment to quality assurance. We also possess the ability to perform customer factory acceptance testing at our Canadian manufacturing locations. Whether you're looking for an electrical product off the shelf or one tailored to your unique needs, our team works with you from concept to completed product to ensure you get the right electrical solution for your application in accordance with all safety codes and standards. We test and validate all of our products to make sure they meet the stringent requirements for the Canadian Standards Association. For unique and emerging or market needs, we develop special motor control solutions, and through our rigorous CSA validation program, ensure safe, reliable operation for the many service years to come. In today's fast-paced world, Canadian organizations need a local power solutions provider to help them compete on the global stage. To learn more about Eaton's commitment to the Canadian marketplace, visit eatoncanada.ca.